The excitement around the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro is evident, but that hasn't stopped leakers from revealing new information about the impending Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, which is still on the way. The design of Samsung's next flagship smartphone is reported to undergo major alteration, which we will discuss later in the video, but one of the most notable upgrades predicted in this smartphone is its camera system. While the quad camera system appears to be retained, the telephoto and ultra-wide lenses are expected to get resolution and sensor size increases. Details concerning the Galaxy S25 Ultra's ultra-wide camera have just appeared. Famed source Ice Universe, known for reliable leaks, reveals that the S25 Ultra will feature an enhanced ultra-wide camera. The leak implies that this camera would have a phenomenal 50-megapixel resolution. In comparison, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which already excels at shooting ultra-wide shots, has a 12MP camera with 1.4 micron pixels. When comparing the two devices, the changes are remarkable. The boost in resolution alone is enough to pique interest. Coupled with the pixel increases, we may anticipate ultra-wide shots that may match those captured with the primary lens. You may be aware that a minimum resolution of around 33.2 megapixels is required to accomplish 8K recording. As a result, a smartphone with a 12MP ultra-wide sensor will be unable to record 8K film with that camera. However, the larger perspective provided by the ultra-wide lens helps to more steady video recordings, and with resolution upgrades, the Galaxy S25 Ultra can now record in 8K with both its primary and ultra-wide cameras. The higher 50MP resolution allows for more electronic image stabilization during 8K recording, albeit this may result in a somewhat smaller field of vision. In addition to the upgraded 50-megapixel 3x telephoto and 50MP ultra-wide cameras, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will also feature the 50-megapixel 5x periscope feature and the 200-megapixel main camera that was carried over from the Galaxy S24 Ultra. As a result, it appears that the next Galaxy S25 Ultra will be able to record in 8K utilizing all four back cameras, and users may even be able to swap between lenses while recording. The ultra-wide camera's 50 map resolution also allows you to crop photographs post-capture without losing much information, which is consistent with Samsung's approach to ultra-high-resolution primary sensors. The native pixels of the 50-megapixel ultra-wide are smaller than those of the Galaxy S24 Ultra 12MP ultra-wide. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.